I don't even have a sister. Hey mom, quick question. Do I have a sister?
No, where'd you get that from?
Nowhere.
No, seriously, tell me.
I need to go. Bye. She has work. She's probably older than me. Hey mom, how was work?
Not good, I was late. And instead of apologizing, I was shouting at my boss.
What?
Yeah, he almost fired me. Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm so clumsy.
You must have a girlfriend.
Has your soulmate lost anything?
Not yet. Earrings. At least his girlfriend has a good taste. Who wears red lipstick these days? I really need to get you some AirPods. Never mind.
I found my soulmate. He lost his ID.
That's nice.
Has your soulmate lost anything yet?
Just headphones so far. Girlfriend. Girlfriend again.
Have you met the new girl yet?
No, I didn't know anyone was new.
She's so cool.
Hey, I'm Amara. I heard you're new.
Why do you have my earrings?
What? Who is it?
You just received a letter from the Queen.
The Queen? You're telling me the old lady I helped yesterday was the Queen?
Yeah, look, you're all over the news.
This is crazy.
We have to get ready. I need to pick out an outfit, and your dad, he doesn't even...
Wait, I don't even know if I want to go yet.
Don't be silly. Not everyone gets this opportunity. We have to go.
Fine, we'll go. But please don't act all freaked out when we get there.
Okay, I promise.
Are you guys ready?
Wait, I have to bring my camera.
Dad, just please leave the camera alone.
Yes, got it. Let's go.
Hey, we're here to have dinner with the Queen.
Tickets?
No.
No tickets, no entry.
Mom left us a long time ago. He deserves to be happy.
Honey, I have something to tell you.
What is it, Dad?
You're gonna be an older sister. Are you excited?
Yes! This is the best day ever.
She's finally here.
Aw, can I hold her?
No, I don't want her getting attached to you. You'll probably leave just like your mom did.
Don't ever be rude to my mom.
Don't raise your voice at me. Go to your room and fix your attitude. Why are you so attached to that teddy bear?
It's the only memory I have left of Mom.
Give it to me. Your little sister should have it, not you. You're too old for it.
I hate you! I feel terrible for doing this. Hey, we're here to have dinner with the Queen.
Tickets?
No.
No tickets, no entry.
No, you don't understand. I received this letter. She invited me herself.
Let me see. Give me a second. Okay, fine, you can go in.
We're in! Whoa, this place is huge. Dad, will you put down the camera before anyone sees you? Oh my gosh, there she is. Hey!
I'm so glad you came.
Thanks so much for inviting me, Your Majesty.
Everyone, please welcome this young lady. She was the one who helped me yesterday. Oh my gosh, her name. How did she get that name? Only royals get that name. The Queen has requested to see you privately.
Okay, sure. Hey, you wanted to speak to me?
I wanted to speak about your name. Do you know what it means?
No, what does it mean? No, what does it mean?
I'm not sure if you've heard, but only royals get the name hero. There's never been anyone from the outside who's gotten it. You're the first one, so you should feel very lucky.
Oh, I didn't know that.
There's also something else you should know. Whoever gets the name hero will be the next king and queen. And because no one else has gotten it yet, that only means one thing. I know this might come as a surprise to you, but you're gonna be the next queen.
What? No, this must be a mistake. I can't be queen. I don't know anything about being royal.
Well, there's plenty of time to practice. Where have you been? We've been looking everywhere for you.
Dad, the craziest thing just happened. I think I'm gonna be the next queen.
What? How?
Because of my name.
The Queen has requested for you to see your new room.
I'm gonna live here?
Yes, starting from tomorrow, we're going to be teaching you everything about how to become the perfect queen.
No, what does it mean?
I'm not sure if you've heard, but only royals get the name hero. There's never been anyone from the outside who's gotten it. You're the first one, so you should feel very lucky.
Oh, I didn't know that.
There's also something else you should know. Whoever gets the name hero will be the next king and queen. And because no one else has gotten it yet, that only means one thing. I know this might come as a surprise to you, but you're gonna be the next queen.
What? No, this must be a mistake. I can't be queen. I don't know anything about being royal.
Well, there's plenty of time to practice. Where have you been? We've been looking everywhere for you.
Dad, the craziest thing just happened. I think I'm gonna be the next queen.
What? How?
Because of my name.
The queen has requested for you to see your new room.
I'm gonna live here?
Yes, starting from tomorrow, we're going to be teaching you everything about how to become the perfect queen.
I feel terrible for doing this. What did I just do? Dad, why are you crying?
Your sister, she didn't make it.
I'm so sorry.
I know you did something so she wouldn't make it. It was you, wasn't it? Just tell the truth, you psycho. We're gonna ask you one more time. Was it you?
Yes.
Get out of my house now. I never want to see you again. You're a disappointment.
But it was a...
I don't care. Get out and never come back again. Here, take your clothes and your useless teddy bear and leave.
Mommy, can I go out and play with my friends?
No, you're too dangerous. You attract death.
That's not true. I'm with you and you didn't die.
That's because it doesn't work on family. Be good at school today, okay? Don't talk to any kids.
Okay. Do you want to play?
No, you're scary. I can play with you. How did this happen?
I don't know. We were playing and she fell off and hit her head.
Honey, you're gonna have to come with me. I can't send you to school anymore. You're too dangerous. Oh, look who it is. Be careful not to get too close to her. She's too dangerous. Hey.
I'm sorry, I can't talk to you. Something bad will happen.
Nothing's gonna happen.
What do you mean? Everyone I try to be friends with ends up dying.
Don't worry, you can't hurt someone who attracts life.
Fake my death? I don't even know how I... Fine. Okay, I guess I'll send it. What? But that's impossible!
Hello?
Hey, can I ask you for a crazy favor?
And what's in it for me?
How about a couple million?
Deal. Remember, it's not actually loaded, it's just for effect.
Okay, all I need to do is act well. I can do this. Hey, don't actually kill me, okay?
Amara, smile for the picture.
Well, here's to being dead.
To being dead.
What? But I'm supposed to be dead! Finally! Let's see how much money I'm getting this year. A book? Where's my money? Maybe it's inside this book. There's nothing in here!
Hey, how much money did you get?
0. All I got is this dumb book.
I got 20,000.
Good for you.
Who wants to go shopping later?
Can I come?
You have no money. Why would you want to come? Look, it's the girl with no money. Someone's been naughty this year.
Haha, very funny. Hey, Mom.
No money this year. That's a first.
Yeah, I know. Let's see. Write your wishes and they will come true. Okay? I wish to become a millionaire. That's easy. She's 5. Look what I got you!
A teddy bear, yay!
The popular girl. How am I meant to do that? Ellie! I just want to say, I love your makeup today. It looks so good.
I know, thanks.
Lip gloss is my power.
Money, Mom. My power is X-ray vision. I got mine before Amara, haha. My power is teleportation. Do you know yours yet?
No, I don't. What could my power be? Not mind reading. Maybe flying. Ouch. Definitely not flying.
You should come to my party tonight. Loosen up a bit.
Sure. Whoa!
Hey, get down before you fall.
Uh-oh.
Here lies the body of... Oh my gosh, she's alive.
How much is this Nintendo Switch?
8 years.
Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, never mind.
Have you decided whether you're going to college?
Yeah, I don't think I'm going. It costs like 70 years. I can't afford to lose that many.
I mean, you could...
Trust me, Mom. I don't need to study to be successful. I can do better things with my life.
Look at all the phones I bought.
How are you spending so many years? Aren't you scared you're gonna run out?
Amara, do you want to hang out with us tonight?
No thanks.
Why are you like this? You never go out. 1 year isn't a lot.
Yes, it is. And it's not worth it. I found this cheap ring online. It only costs 5 days.
Honey, you should be careful with what you buy online. What happened to all your years?
What do you mean?
Look up.
I didn't buy anything worth 150 years. Someone stole my time.
Let me have a look.
No, you have to help me now. I'm running out of time.
We can lend you 60 years.
Okay, just hurry up.
Okay, relax. You shouldn't have taken out that loan.
What else was I supposed to do?
You're still gonna have to pay that back, you know that, right?
I guess I'm just gonna have to work some extra hours to pay it back. But at least this scammer won't be able to steal any more of my time.
Hey, so what happened to your time?
It's a long story, but from now on, I'm never buying anything online.
Yeah, you shouldn't. You never know who can steal your information.
I'm so excited for the cinema. Can I come?
Really? You wanna come? That's a first.
Yeah, I don't care about my years anymore. I'd rather live a short and fun life than a long and boring one. How much is this perfume?
2 years.
I'll take it. I'm liking this new... You ready for the cinema?
So ready.
Let's go. Can I please copy your homework? I forgot to do it.
I would if the teacher wasn't standing right next to you. Homework, please.
Yeah?
Good job. You seem to be the first person with all the answers correct.
What the heck? I thought I didn't even do it.
What even happened back there?
I don't know. I didn't even do my homework, but then I lied and it magically appeared.
Maybe all your lies are coming true.
Yeah, I don't think so. My lies are coming true, huh? I'm dating my crush.
Hey, babe.
Did you just call me babe?
Yeah, silly. We've been dating for the past 6 months, so of course I'm gonna call you babe.
Everyone in the school is friends with me.
Hi, Amara. Come to my birthday party this weekend.
Let's hang out after school.
Why is everyone at school treating you like a celebrity?
Like you said, all of my lies are coming true.
Are you not scared that this power might come with a dangerous catch?
What do you mean?
Look what I found.
What do you think about my skirt?
It's ugly. Seriously? I wasn't even being rude. I was just telling the truth. You know what? I can be nice. Shouldn't be that hard. Hey, watch where you're going, you. Sorry. Have a nice day.
How was school, honey?
Lame. I had to be fake to people all day in order to gain more years. Anyway, I'm tired. I'm gonna go sleep. I had the best dream last night. I bullied all my teachers at school.
Oh, that's why your years are so low.
How? It was just a dream.
You know whatever you do in your dreams count as well, right?
You can't be serious.